Today I'm going to show you how to make the gourd-headed witch that stands by my door every Halloween, as you can see behind me. So you want to start by getting yourself a gooseneck gourd, or you can also use a birdhouse gourd if it's got a long neck on it. You just want something that's going to work for a witch's nose. So you just want to draw on a couple of eyes. Don't be anything fancy, just like typical pumpkin carving eyes. And then you also want to cut a hole out of the bottom side of your gourd. And then pull out all the dried guts and seeds, and save the seeds because you can use them to plant next year to make more. So here it is once it's cleaned out. And then just take a utility knife and cut out the eyes as well. So here it is with the eyes cut out, and then of course the long part will be the nose. So then get a witch's hat with hair, and put a bunch of tape, or you can also glue it to the witch's head if you want, but either tape or glue it onto your gourd head. And you can paint it green if you want. That's always a lot of fun. Here's one with a spiderweb hat, and also painted green. So you want to make yourself a wooden cross, which will also come in handy if you decide to hunt vampires. But it's pretty simple, it's just two pieces of wood screwed together. So you want to get a long black dress. The one that I'm using here is actually, it was a second-hand Grim Reaper costume that I found. So it had the long drapey sleeves, which made it look really cool. But any black dress will do. And so then on the back, I took a piece of purple satin, which is really faded now because I've been using this witch for a lot of years. I just tied that together on the front at the neck, and then it's safety pinned to the black dress in several places just to keep it where I want it in the cape shape. So on the inside, I took a plastic bag and stuffed it with newspapers, and then I just shoved that up under the dress to give the witch a little bit of body. She had some kind of form to her. And then I ran some green lights up through the dress, all the way up, and the plug is at the bottom so I can plug it in. So then your head, the hole in the head, just slides right onto that, and the lights go up into the head. So here it is. The lights are still on now, but this is the full witch. You can see I turned the green lights on inside of her. I always put her next to my door. She looks kind of cool. And then when you shut out the lights, she glows with kind of an eerie green, so it's always a lot of fun to have this witch sitting by the door at Halloween. So the one on the left is by the door, and then I also put one down by the road. You can do a lot of these. They're a lot of fun.